Good morning and buenos dias. I am Abu Sha'b and welcome back to another lesson in Puerto Rican Expressions. First of all, I'd like to show off my lovely and talented daughter's artwork. This is a caterpillar. Caterpillar in standard Spanish is oruga, una oruga, a caterpillar. Many people here in Puerto Rico incorrectly call this animal gusano, un gusano. Gusano is worm or larva in standard Spanish. But if it turns into a butterfly, a mariposa, una mariposa, a butterfly, it is una oruga, a caterpillar in standard Spanish. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about school stuff. My daughter is in grade school here and I know a lot about school stuff. Here in Puerto Rico, in public schools, classes are generally given in Spanish with English as a subject. In private schools, it's usually the opposite. Classes are given in English with Spanish as a subject. School in standard Spanish is escuela, la escuela, una escuela, the school, a school. Class is la clase. Here in Puerto Rico, we use a particular word for classroom. That word is el salón. This word is taken from standard Spanish. In standard Spanish, it means meeting hall, or a hall for meetings, or a hall for a wedding. In standard Spanish, classroom is la aula, but this word is kind of disappearing. In many parts of Mexico, they use cuarto de clase, which is classroom, because of the influence that English has in Mexican Spanish. Teacher in standard Spanish is maestro or maestra. Here in Puerto Rico, we have two very cute nicknames that the students call the teachers. Missy for a female, which is Missy from English, or Mister, which is Mr. for a male teacher, which is Mr. pronounced with a Puerto Rican accent. Mister, 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 Missy, Missy. Uniform. Most schools require the students to wear uniforms. This is my daughter's school uniform. They're generally pretty much the same. The colors vary school to school. Most schools have a blue or a yellow shirt. Mochila is backpack. Mochila, standard Spanish. This is my daughter's backpack. It's enormous. Any other bag, like a book bag or a gym bag, is referred to as un bulto. This is more slang. Bulto is really like a lump or something in standard Spanish. Subject. The subjects in school are referred to as las materias in Puerto Rican Spanish. I believe this is somewhat particular to Puerto Rico because I've heard in other countries los temas, the themes. The word subject in Spanish is sujeto, but it's not used in reference to school subjects. Book is libro, el libro, the book. Libreta is la libreta, it's the notebook, excuse me, notebook. Libreta can also mean script, like the script for a TV show or the script for a play. It can also mean the script of life. Sigue la libreta, stay on track, follow the script. The principal in Puerto Rican schools, as well as anywhere in Latin America, is the director, el director or la directora. The janitor, which I found to be interesting, is concierge. Concierge, you can see that this word is related to concierge, which is a swanky job in a hotel in English, but in standard Spanish, concierge is the janitor. The person in charge of the student is el encargado. Madre, padre, encargado. A lot of times it's the grandparents or the uncles or something. Encargado, the person in charge. For education, physical education, many schools don't have a gymnasium. We have a basketball court generally. Most of the time it's got a roof on it. Basketball court is cancha, la cancha. We often say cancha con techo to indicate that it's got a roof on it. Techo in Puerto Rican Spanish is both ceiling and roof. I believe it's ceiling in standard Spanish, but roof in standard Spanish is azotea or tejas. Tejas are roofing tiles, but it can often mean roof. I'm going to jump back to the subjects. My daughter has 5 subjects that she studies. She has a notebook for una libreta, a notebook for each subject, for cada una de las 5 materias. She has English, Spanish, math, las matemáticas, because well-spoken in Spanish, it's in plural, the same as sciences and social studies. Science is las ciencias in plural. Social studies, estudios sociales. Thank you very much. I hope you learned a couple of words. Have a very good day.